Making early selection of teaching strategies is where design mistakes often occur. A mantra to keep in mind is never confuse the end or objective with the means or the strategies that will help learners meet the objective. You must determine objectives before strategies to ensure the learning experience is fully aligned. Lack of alignment confuses students about what is expected of them, making it harder for the instructor to support student success consistently. Up to this point, our focus has been on aligning learning objectives with assessments. Let's explore a practical and streamlined approach to aligning objectives and teaching strategies. To ensure aligned objectives and strategies, we'll use the interface of learning objectives, teaching strategies, and/or assessments graphic based on Krathwohl's update on Bloom's cognitive domain. You can download or print a copy to reference as we go through the process. Use the link embedded in this section. On the left side, a three-step process is outlined under How to Use. The first step is to select the appropriate cognitive processing dimension based on what you want learners to achieve by the end of the learning experience. Cognitive processes include, as defined by the APA, any of the mental functions assumed to be involved in the acquisition, storage, interpretation, manipulation, transformation, and use of knowledge. These processes encompass such activities as attention, perception, learning, and problem solving. The dimensions on the graphic, which increase in cognitive complexity in ascending order. Move from the lowest step to remember to the highest step to create. For example, which cognitive processing dimension might you choose when presenting new knowledge to a group of students? Options include remember or understand. Inviting students to try out a new skill for the first time. Use apply. Asking students to employ critical thinking skills to complete an assignment. Options include analyze, evaluate, or create. After selecting a cognitive processing dimension, move on to step 2 to choose the action verb that will initiate the learning objective. Select one action verb below the desired step that best suits your context, content, and/or learner. This verb will serve as the first word of the learning objective. Based on the cognitive processing level selected, consider choices of verbs specific to what the learner should be able to achieve at the end of instruction. For example, when presenting new knowledge to a group of students, remember, define, list, repeat. Understand, describe, discuss, explain, identify. Inviting students to try out a new skill for the first time, apply, demonstrate, illustrate, practice, perform. Asking students to employ critical thinking skills to complete an assignment, analyze, calculate, compare, debate, distinguish, question. Evaluate, assess, measure, revise, select. Create, arrange, construct, manage. Step 3 focuses on the teaching strategies that best align with your learning objective. Potential strategies are listed above the step of each cognitive processing dimension. Remember, it's possible that a number of strategies will align with a chosen action verb. For example, define, audio, lecture, video. Describe, story, presentations, discussion. Demonstrate, simulations, exercises, drama or role play. Debate, tests, problems, case studies. Assess, simulations, critiques, appraisals. Construct, productions, hypotheses, compositions. The actual strategy you select is also a form of assessment. For example, if you have chosen the apply cognitive processing dimension, a demonstration or a project used as your key teaching strategy may also be used as an assessment. At the same time, exercises might serve as an opportunity for learner practice before the assessment is given.